In this video, we will take a look at how to manually create an inquiry. Before the inquiry can be created, the material master for the required material must be extended with sales data. The customer Leno submits a written inquiry for 15 laptops. Laptop 2400. The inquiry should be processed by the end of the month. The desired delivery date is mid-next month. It is important to note that a pricing date must be entered in the inquiry, and the delivery date must match the requested delivery date. Start transaction VA11 to create an inquiry. First, select the inquiry type. Use the F4 help and click on Inquiry with the abbreviation IN. This inquiry type is used to request information about products, prices, delivery conditions, from a supplier. In the organizational data, enter the sales organization 1010, enter the distribution channel 10, enter the division 00, and confirm the entries by pressing the Enter key to proceed to the overview screen. In the overview, enter LLPTP as the sold to party and confirm with the Enter key. In the item overview, enter the material Laptop 2400 and press Enter again. The inquiry should be created for 15 laptops. Enter 15 as the order quantity and confirm with the Enter key. Select the requested delivery date. In this case, it's mid-next month, which can be selected with a double click. Since the inquiry should be processed by the end of the month, enter the end of the month in the Valid To field. With a double click on the material, you can adjust the pricing date. The pricing date is always the current date. The first delivery date corresponds to the requested delivery date. Change the delivery date to mid-next month. Click the Save button after all data has been entered. The inquiry has been saved and an inquiry number has been assigned.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.